Al Qaeda already threatened India that it would liberate Kashmir. The spokesperson of Taliban has also stated that it would raise Kashmir issue. A very good evening, friends. My today's lecture topic is Taliban rule in Afghanistan and impact on India. So, friends, after 20 years of conflict with the Taliban, finally USA has withdrawn its troop from Afghanistan and Taliban subsequently captured the Kabul. So it was a very bad incident, not only for the India but also for the whole world. With the rise of Taliban in Afghanistan, now the new security threat and challenges are also rises for India. Al Qaeda already threatened India that it would liberate Kashmir. The spokesperson of Taliban has also stated that it would raise Kashmir issue internationally. India's 3 billion investment has also gone into the basket. With the rise of Taliban in Afghanistan, now it would become the safe haven for the militant organizations like Al Qaeda, Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. Now we have seen that their training camps has also already been shifted to Afghanistan. The two country which is looking for an opportunity in Afghanistan is of course China and Pakistan. China has already stated that it would invest billions of dollars in Afghanistan to explore its natural resources, and it is looking for, we have seen the Budgam Air Base, which is a very bad news for India. Apart from that, definitely the cross-border terrorism and the these Fidain activities will increases in Jammu and Kashmir. Our trade will be affected. The illegal drug trafficking will be increases across the border, and we would say there will be a possibility, a probability is there, India would face a three-front war against Afghanistan, Pakistan and China. Now friends, it is India's foreign policy that India would never negotiate with the terrorist organizations. But the situation is here right now. We have to open our way for the dialogues with Taliban. Apart from that, we need to be ready for the consequences. We have to support, India can support the Northern Alliance, send them military equipments and necessary things to counter Taliban. We have to stop Chinese expansion into the Afghanistan. We have to we can raise the issue to the United Nations Security Council. The Quad of course play an important role into it. Apart from that, India can make strong bond, strong friendship relations with the Central Asian country like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan to counter Taliban. So definitely India in the South Asia can play a very crucial role to stop these terrorist organizations. Thank you.